everybody, welcome to Trilogy Tech Talk. I'm Rena Santoro. We are at the 2016 RSA conference in San Francisco. I'm here hanging out with Dave Burton from GuardiCore. How you doing, Dave?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank you. All right, so Dave, what is GuardiCore and what are you guys about? What are you guys doing here?
So we focus on internal security for the data center and breach detection. So we really do two things related to that. Number one is we provide our customers with deep visibility into what's going on inside of their data center. So all the workloads and applications all the way down to the process level. This is really important for our customers because it allows them to understand what's going on so they can define granular policies to protect that traffic. And then secondly, we complement that with threat deception technology. And so what that does essentially is we look inside the network for indicators of people moving laterally. So trying to see the bad guys once they've gotten in the data center, trying to move to different applications and different servers. And once we detect that, we're able to reroute that into our deception environment and give them opportunities in an isolated environment to advance their attack. And when they do that, we capture everything they do, we look at their behavior, the methods, the tools that they're using, and we're able to do automatic analysis on that to give our customers and security teams the ability to act on it and respond very quickly, much more quickly than they can today, in terms of being able to detect breaches and respond to them in a very fast manner.
All right, I was just going to ask you, I ever heard that data centers are getting breached into for months and they go undetected, so how are you guys solving this?
Yeah, that's true. Actually, one of the biggest problems today, we see a lot of research where it takes people months, sometimes 6 months to actually detect a breach inside their data center. And so what we do is real-time detection and real-time analysis through the visibility down to the process level and being able to set those policies, as well as the deception that's analyzing in real time and presenting to them the ability to really answer the question is, am I being breached right now? So this dramatically reduces the amount of time it takes for security teams to both detect and also respond to security threats inside the data center.
And what are you guys showcasing at RSA this year?
So actually, funny you should ask, we announced an extension to our security platform that we call the Central Security Platform, and this week we announced a new capability called Reveal. And so as the name, what Reveal does, is it provides that visibility. So discovering the services and applications inside the data center, and then not only that, but also being able to define specific policies down to the process level that are then monitored and alerted when we see variations against that policy. So here's how we provide visibility into the data center for those security teams to see, is there something bad going on? Is there a bad guy trying to do something within their data center, and allowing them to respond very, very quickly to that. So Reveal is what we announced that's new this week, and it expands our data center security platform to provide a more comprehensive set of security services for people trying to protect their data center.
All right, and what kind of feedback are you expecting from customers?
Well, we've gotten great feedback already, as a matter of fact, yeah. And one of the biggest problems that our customers say they have is they have a blind spot in the data center, meaning they don't have visibility into what's really going on. And this creates an issue for them in terms of being able to define those policies and set very granular security policies for those applications and for those workloads. And so the feedback we've gotten from them is this is absolutely the kind of visibility that they need to have, and also the ability to set those policies and control them and monitor them gives them the ability to respond very quickly, as we discussed before.
All right, and is there anything else you'd like to add?
Well, what I'd like to add is anyone who's watching this now, if you haven't come down and seen GuardiCore, come down and see us in booth 4422, or if you don't have time to come by and see us, we of course would love to hear from you, and go by our website at www.guardicore.com and request a demo, and you can see all this stuff in action.
All right, well thank you very much. And are you going to get into anything into the city? Are you going to have time to have fun?
Well, I live in the city, so I know it very well, and I know all the cool spots to go.
Okay, so where are the cool spots? What are the cool spots?
So if you see me, that's where the cool spot is.
Ah, so you see us.
That's right.
Then you're definitely going to have a good time.
I will.
Okay.
Hopefully I'll see you later tonight then.
Heck yeah, it's party time,
All right.
Dave. All right, thank you so much.
Hey, thank you very much.
Good luck.
All right.
Thank you.